How to log into your Barclays Bank's online banking account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log into your Barclays Bank's online banking account. So to do that, first of all, go to any web browser of your preference and in the web address bar simply type in Barclays Banks. After that, tap on the first option, which is barclays.co.uk. Now it will take you to the official homepage of Barclays Bank, where in order to log in, you'll have to first of all tap on the login option on the top right side of your screen. Now you will be redirected to another page where you'll have to basically choose any one of these three right over here. You can either choose your membership number, your card number, or your sort code and account number. So if you chose the first option, membership number, you'll have to enter your last name and your membership number and then tap on the option continue. Similarly, if you choose the second option, which is card number, you'll have to enter your last name, your 16-digit card number, and then tap on the option continue. And finally, if you choose the third option, you'll have to enter your last name, your sort code, and finally your account number. Now once you tap on the option continue, you will have successfully logged into your Barclays Bank's online banking account. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.